The Xbox Series X might be the most underwhelming console since the release of the Wii U. You basically had a decade to make a new console, and all you managed to give us was a mini fridge-shaped Xbox One. You know, it makes sense why it's the worst selling console out of the three, because there was no improvements, no innovations, nothing. The Xbox One got its shit rocked by the PS4, and Microsoft thought, hey, let's do the exact same thing again without a Kinect. To be fair though, it was probably a good business decision. Meanwhile, the PS5 is coming out with a ton of really well-designed accessories for their new console. On top of that, they released the almost identical controller with the only difference being a little more grip and a fucking share button. Who am I sharing with? They all have the PS5. And do you want to know why they all have the PS5? Because it actually has exclusives. Microsoft bought all these gaming studios, and let's see. We have a game where you can fly a plane, we have a gaming franchise squeezing every last penny out of their historic run in the late 2000s, and then we lost Peggle. Fuck. Exclusives are key. I mean, hey, Mario is the only reason that Nintendo is still any bit relevant. Do you know what the best part about Xbox exclusives are? They aren't actually exclusives. They're all available on the PC, which makes it pretty obvious what Microsoft's trajectory is. Straight into a mini PC. Then why not do it already? Revamp your awful Microsoft store on the PC, create an operating system similar to SteamOS, and boom, PS5 is toast. Sure, you'd have to optimize a console-based APU for every known Windows driver, but I'm sure you could figure it out. I mean, Valve made Linux good. Don't get me wrong, Microsoft has done some things right. Like the low price of the Xbox Series S, and Xbox Game Pass is fantastic most months, but overall, it's been very disappointing.